Would you like your track to need cleaning only once a year? Stay tuned and we'll show you how. Over time, this oxide builds up and inhibits electrical conductivity. It often needs cleaned off the wheels and rails after several hours of operation. We've done a professional chemical analysis of the black gunk that builds up on rails and wheels, and we've found it's largely metal oxides caused by micro-arcing between the wheels and the rail. The wheels make electrical contact at a tiny spot along the inside rail head, and that's where the micro-arcing happens, literally exploding microscopic metal oxide particles all over the rail head and the wheel tread. Just cleaning the rail will do nothing to stop the micro-arcing. After cleaning, the micro-arcing will resume, the oxides will build up, and the trains will begin stalling again. So, what if we could put something on the rails that actually reduces the micro-arcing and dramatically slows the production of the metal oxides?